Hey YouTube friends, it's me, Vampirina, Balerina. I love ballet because I'm a ballerina and I love colors. Will you learn some colors with me today? How about we learn some colors with gumballs? Whoa, we got a bunch of gumballs that are a bunch of different colors. Let's learn these different colors of gumballs. This one's blue, yellow, green, pink, and red. Now that we've learned the colors, say the color of the gumball with me when I stand in front of the gumball. Red, blue, yellow, pink, green. Hey, good job! You learned a bunch of different colors. But wait, how many colors do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 colors. Will you count with me? Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness, we counted to 5 and we learned a bunch of different colors. Thanks for hanging out with me, learning some colors and counting to 5. Have a great day. Bye-bye.